the beacon, my only light. Please don't leave me alone, my heart. You're the spark that lights the dark. Stay with me till the morning breaks. Love so strong that it never shakes. We walked along the moonlit shore. Each step echoed the love we swore. In the silence of the silver beams, we stitched together all our dreams. Now the nights feel so cold and long. Without your laughter, my world goes wrong. I'm begging you, don't slip away. We got a love worth fighting to stay. Please don't leave me alone, my heart. You're the spark that lights the dark. Stay with me till the morning breaks. Love so strong that it never shakes. As the sun rises, my Lord, you are always on my mind. Oh, and in the dusk's glow, you too, you know, are always in my thoughts. Your beauty mirrors the mountain cherry blossoms. Your heart pure as white magnolias woos me. When can I see you again? I'm lost without you, and you're lost without me. So why delay in lament when distance won't change our love? I long for your safe return. Heavenly and earthly spirits, please protect this precious soul. Escort him safely home. Heavenly and earthly spirits, please protect and guide him safely home. Heavenly and earthly spirits, please protect and guide him safely